Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. I am April and today I'm going to show you all the materials that I use every time I do realistic portraits. For the information of everybody, all of the materials were purchased at the National Bookstore. So if you're living here in the Philippines, you won't be having a hard time looking for them. Plus, they're not too expensive. So let's get into them. There are a lot of drawing pencils out there that can help you create a realistic drawing, but these babies are my favorites. Let's start with Staedtler pencils. The 4B and 8B shades are the two pencils that I use more often. I use 4B pencils in creating midtones, and 8B for the darkest part of the drawing. I also use Faber-Castell pencils, but here in Iloilo, Staedtler is available in singles, so I prefer it more than Faber-Castell. Next are the mechanical pencils, which are useful in doing the details of the drawings. I bought cheap ones and refills along with them. I bought Stabilo HB LEDs that cost about 20 pesos and Faber-Castell polymer, fine 2B LED, but I forgot the price. In order to create the darkest among the darkest parts of my drawings, I use, I don't know how to pronounce it, but Montmartre wood charcoal pencil. It fills in all the white parts of the paper and blends well with other graphite pencils. Another one is the Derwent charcoal pencil, which I use along with Montmartre and 4B pencil. The last one is, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is a pencil that I use if I want to highlight parts on the faces where the light hits the most. I don't use it often though. Next to pencils, I consider one of the staple materials in drawing are the erasers. I use a variety of them, and my favorites are the Uni Auto eraser and Faber-Castell kneaded eraser. I also like to buy refills in advance so that it won't be a hassle for me if I run out in the middle of the drawing. Here I get a Sakura refill or Nox eraser. I use this one to do super details on my drawing, especially the hair, eyes, and lips. Before I could buy the auto eraser, I had this kneaded eraser which I bought for 30 pesos at National Bookstore. It's really awesome because I could use one eraser for months. If leads are all around the place, what you can do is just knead the eraser. Stretch it out and you're good to go. For blending the graphite pencils, I'm using brushes, blending stumps, cotton buds, and tissues. These brushes were made for acrylic paintings, but I use them for graphite drawings instead. I use this number 6 brush from Montmartre Gallery series for blending large areas like the face and for making base layer of the hair. For blending detailed parts, I use number 5 brushes. As you can see, they differ in the thickness, so I use the thin one for blending detailed parts, while the thick one for blending the tones like under the eyes, cheeks, or not so detailed parts of the face. For blending stumps, I don't use them that much because cotton buds, tissues, and brushes can do their job. The last material that is so important to me is the paper. I normally use Canson watercolor pad because It is thick and it has two sides. The smooth and the rough side. I use the smooth side so that when I shade a face or I make a realistic face, it'll have a smooth texture. It also doesn't tear easily no matter how much I use the eraser. On the other hand, the rough side is for watercolor paintings, so I don't use it often. So those are the basic tools that I use in making my drawings. But I still have what I call miscellaneous materials that are important as well. These are sharpeners, rulers, and a clipboard. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For my next video, I will be giving a shout out to my new subscribers at the end of it. I am really happy to be with this community where I can share my knowledge to everyone. See you next time, and goodbye.